In this video, you will see how to use the mouse hover keyword in Avo Assure to automate the mouse movement of hovering on a selected object to view its functionality when automating processes in SAP. Add a test step to the chosen node on the Design Test Steps screen by clicking the plus icon. Select Create Role_BTN as the element name from the Element Name drop-down, and mouse hover as the keyword from the descriptive keyword drop-down. This will instruct the Avo Assure client to move the mouse pointer to the Create Role option on the SAP screen. Click Save to save the designed test step. Next, click Debug, and click Debug again from the pop-up. This will successfully debug the designed test steps, and you will see the mouse pointer hover over to the Create Role option in SAP landing page and view its description.